same old circle going round. But baby, don't get up yet, don't get up yet. I'm not through. It's always been true, brevity's not my strong suit. And maybe I've gone on a little long. But if you just give up now, get on up and walk on out, might as well just call the whole thing done. So baby, don't get